living with lower back pain can be almost unbearable. Here is what one of our patients had to say about the 5-star experience after a visit to our office.
It is a pleasure to work with Dr. Robertson. I am very pleased with the treatment and an overall focus on the maintenance of the body. Thank you.
Get to the root of your lower back pain and get back to living your life on your terms. Imagine not waking up in discomfort or having to limit your activity. It doesn't have to be a dream. At Whole Chiropractic Healthcare, we help our patients get the active lifestyle they love. Simply call us at 410-305-1331 or click the button to book an appointment. Lasting relief from back pain is possible.